Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, I'm meteorologist Craig Flint. We still have some clouds, but also some breaks of blue starting to show up downtown. So the sky will clear out here as we go into the overnight hours. The breeze will ease. 79 now, the dew point at 68. That northwesterly wind sustained at 14. So we'll see the wind die off and temperatures drop to the dew point. So we're going to end up in the upper 60s tonight. Any showers, especially south and east, will be coming to an end tomorrow. There's a heat advisory, more on that in a moment. The one thing that will help out is it does get a little breezy at times. At least it provides some relief, but it just kind of blows all the hot air around. Temperature near 90, it's going to feel hotter. Here's a look at Doppler radar right now. All of the activity and the focus has been to the south and east. Nasty thunderstorms coming through the Mid-Hudson Valley, Connecticut, up to Providence and Boston this evening. That is where we have a severe thunderstorm watch safely outside of central New York. Again, any showers locally will fizzle. Hazy, hot, humid Friday. And then we turn our attention to Friday night into Saturday as some rain and rumbles arrive. And I think Saturday, unfortunately, is going to feature some wet weather. That's the price, though, because the humidity is going to drop by Sunday. Fresher air, really pretty. Temperatures now are in the upper 70s to near 80. Mid-70s in Cooperstown to Hartwick with some scattered showers. And into the Adirondacks, 74, Indian Lake, Long Lake at 72. So the humidity is going to remain high right through the overnight, right into the day tomorrow with dew points, again, up near 70. So when you look at this chart here, you want to focus here. That's the 70-degree dew point, and you can see Friday, we're hovering around 70, and then we start to drop as we get into the weekend. So those showers and thunderstorms moving away to the south and east. Another cluster over Michigan. That doesn't arrive here till Saturday. You'll see this on Futurecast. So tomorrow, hazy, hot, and humid. And then we get into Friday night and into Saturday morning. Here comes this round of rain and rumbles. And this will likely stick around through Saturday morning into the early afternoon. It will taper some late with some breaks of sun developing late Saturday. Before we get there, we have to get through tomorrow. So the heat advisory in effect through the evening. What this means is it will feel like the upper 90s to near 100 at times in the afternoon. This is the type of heat that'll make you sick. So just take it easy. No strenuous activities, especially during the peak heating. Make sure you're hydrating. So 90 degrees tomorrow. Rain and rumbles Saturday. Humidity falls, though. 76, refreshing by Sunday. Breezy, cooler, 74. And even Monday looks good. There might be an isolated shower, but not much. 76, a little reinforcing cold front comes through, and that tees us up for some more great weather Tuesday, Wednesday, and most of Thursday. 74 Tuesday as it starts to warm up again, returning to close to where we should be. Highs near or over 80 by Wednesday and Thursday. Jamie, over to you.
All right. Thank you, Craig.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
All right, let's get set for a hot one on Friday. Heat advisories are in effect. We'll talk about those in a minute. First, though, that's a look live downtown tonight. We still have some stubborn cloud coverage, some sprinkles inside the thickest cloud cover. Those will fade and fizzle as the sky clears tonight, but it's gonna remain mild and muggy. Temperatures by morning in the upper 60s. So I mentioned a few widely isolated sprinkles left over. That's it. I expect the sky to clear out. Hazy, hot, and humid Friday. And then our attention turns to Friday night into Saturday. Once we get past the heat, Friday night, we will focus on some rain and rumblers that'll be developing late Friday night, like after midnight, and probably continuing through at least part of Saturday before tapering late. That's the price. The humidity falls Saturday, fresher air by Sunday. 66 right now. Old Forge Inlet is at 65. 74 in Herkimer. Lawrence is at 70. Hamilton at 70, 73 right now in town. Wider perspective, so we had some nasty thunderstorms earlier. Mid-Hudson Valley, Connecticut, Rhode Island towards Boston, those have fizzled out. We're kind of in between systems now. Look at this cluster over northern Wisconsin. Draw your attention over towards the Minneapolis. That is what's going to arrive Friday night. So this particular computer model, I showed you a different one earlier, but this one I think it's struggling a little bit. First of all, I think it's got the right idea. Tomorrow, dry, just hot and humid. Then we get into Saturday. I think by Saturday morning, it's going to be raining. So I think this computer model is wrong. And that's why I'm here. That's why it's not just some AI-generated forecast. I do think there will be some rain and rumbles around on Saturday in the morning. 90 tomorrow. That's only half the story. Heat advisories posted because it's going to feel like the middle to upper 90s to near 100 during the peak heating hours of the afternoon. So this type of heat can make you sick. Make sure you're hydrated. Try to limit strenuous activity outside. If you're working out, I'd say either early in the morning or late at night, although I don't know how much better it's going to be. And please don't forget about the pets. Okay, those little paws on that pavement, it's hot. And also the elderly as well. Temperature right now 72 at Griffiths and Rome. We only drop about 4 more degrees, and then it's stifling tomorrow, 90, but it will feel hotter. There's your wet weather Saturday, at least through part of the day, and then it slowly starts to taper by the finish of the day. And it will turn less humid, 76. Sunday, I think it's much better. Fresher air, 74, and I think we're going to continue that trend right into next week. All right, that's the latest. Take it easy out there tomorrow. We got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News, first at 10 on Fox, continues right after this.
Witness weather forecast.
All right, good evening. So the focus tonight is the heat as we go into Friday. That's a look live downtown right now, and it's 72. The dew point is at 68. That's a pretty good indicator where we're going to land tonight. So upper 60s as the sky clears out. We did have a few showers earlier. Tomorrow, heat advisory. More on that in a moment. So the one thing that will help at least a little is a breeze, but it will just be moving the hot air around. 90, but it's going to feel hotter. Again, a few showers from earlier, now shifting well to the south and to the east. A lot of clutter showing up on radar. There is one shower over, it looks like just to the south of Route 20 there in Madison County. So here's what to expect. Hazy, hot, humid Friday, and then our attention turns to some rain and rumblers Friday night, so like overnight into Saturday. Unfortunately, Saturday is going to feature some wet weather for at least part of the day. It may taper some by late afternoon and into the evening. Good news if you're heading to the fair, to the Kegel concert. But the showers and storms are the price we pay for some fresher air by Sunday. The humidity falls through the day Saturday. 72 now in town. Low 70s Cooperstown to Hartwick, Richfield Springs to Springfield in the upper 60s, 65 right now in Indian Lake. So the dew points, again, the higher the number, the more uncomfortable you are. And you can see we are dealing with dew points in the 60s to near 70 right through Friday. And then you can see the drop as we go into the weekend. We are keeping a close eye on a few showers and thunderstorms well to the north and west. That cluster arrives, again, overnight Friday night into Saturday. Hazy, hot, and humid tomorrow. And then we get into tomorrow night. Watch as we go. Showers and thunder coming through. Notice how it tapers a little bit as we head into the afternoon, but at least, like I said, part of the day Saturday is going to be wet. Let's talk about the heat advisory that's in effect. This is for tomorrow. This is the type of heat it can affect you. You can get sick. So take it easy. Limit strenuous activity. If you're working out early, is probably your best bet. Heat advisory in effect through the evening because it is going to feel like the middle to upper 90s to near 100 during the peak heating hours in the afternoon. Stifling heat. Then we get these rain and rumbles in here Saturday, tapering late day, the humidity drops. Look at Sunday, yes, fresh air, 74 and sunshine, and even Monday looks okay. There might be a brief shower, 76, another little reinforcing cold front on Monday. So Tuesday, comfortable, mostly sunny, 74, and we start to return to 80 degrees or warmer as we get into mid to late next week. But that's pretty close to what it should be in terms of a normal high temperature, and maybe a few showers around by late Thursday. We got to take a quick break. Eyewitness News continues right after this.